Hello everyone. Welcome back to MS Chocolate's channel. This is where we practice speaking English together. In this video, we will focus on the topic daily routine, a very common question in the B1/B2 English speaking test. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and then give your own answer. Let's get started. Q1. Can you describe your daily routine on weekdays? Sample answer. On weekdays, I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast with my family. At 7:30, I go to school. I spend most of my day studying subjects such as English, math, and science. After school, I come home, eat lunch, and take a short rest. In the afternoon, I do my homework and help my mother with housework. In the evening, I watch TV or read before dinner. I go to bed around 10:30. My routine is simple but helps me stay organized. Q2. What is your favorite part of the day? Why? Sample answer. My favorite part of the day is the evening. After finishing homework and chores, I can relax and spend time with my family. We eat dinner together, talk about our day, and sometimes watch a movie. This makes me feel happy and connected. The evening is also the time I can read English books or watch English videos, which helps me improve my skills. It is both relaxing and useful for learning. Q3. Do you usually do the same things on weekends? Sample answer. No, my weekends are usually different from weekdays. On Saturdays, I sometimes go shopping with my family or visit my grandparents. On Sundays, I often spend more time with friends. Weekends are less busy, so I can wake up later, enjoy a bigger breakfast, and do activities I cannot do during the week. For example, I love walking in the park or playing basketball. My weekend routine is more flexible, but I try to balance study and relaxation. Q4. How do you usually spend your mornings? Sample answer. In the morning, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I eat breakfast because it gives me energy for the day. If I have school or work, I prepare my bag and leave early. Sometimes I listen to music while getting ready. I think mornings are important because they set the mood for the whole day. If I have a good morning routine, I feel positive and productive. Q5. What do you usually do in the evenings after school or work? Sample answer. In the evenings, I like to spend time with my family. After dinner, we talk about our day and sometimes watch TV. If I have homework, I finish it first. After that, I relax by reading, listening to music, or chatting with friends. On some evenings, I practice English by watching short videos. I usually try to go to bed early so that I can wake up fresh the next morning. Q6. Do you think it is important to have a daily routine? Why? Sample answer. Yes, I think having a daily routine is very important. A routine helps me organize my time and finish tasks on time. For example, when I follow my routine, I can study, help my family, and still relax. Without a routine, I may waste time and forget important things. A routine also helps me build good habits, like sleeping early, eating healthy food, and exercising. So, I believe everyone should have a routine to make life easier and balanced. Useful words: wake up, brush teeth, breakfast, school, homework, relax, dinner, evening, weekend, chores, activities, organized, habits, productive. So that concludes our daily habits. How to answer well practice. Hopefully these sample answers will help you prepare for your B1/B2 English speaking exam. Remember, speak slowly, use simple sentences, and add examples from your own life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson.